use Windows 7 on your PC? Don't be embarrassed. Almost 40% of personal computers still run it, according to Microsoft. But if you still use Windows 7, you need to make a very important upgrade soon. Windows 7 is now 10 years old. If you're still using it, watch for a critical update this month. PC Magazine says if you don't accept the update, you'll lose all support by July. That means no more security patches, leaving you vulnerable to scammers just salivating to take over your PC. So make sure Windows updates are enabled on your computer. Either accept the update or buy a Windows 10 upgrade. But from the Doesn't That Stink file, the fact that whatever you do, you have less than a year left to use Windows 7. Microsoft plans to end support for 7 early next year, which may have you saying, doesn't that stink? Worse, upgrading to Windows 10 is officially $139. That stinks too, if you're dealing with a 7 or 8-year-old PC. Remember Windows XP? While support ended 5 years ago for that, some PC users still run it. Not a safe proposition. So keep your PC up to date and secure so you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese, 9 on your side.